Is wagon addiction a thing? I don't think so, but Nikki seems to say I have a problem. And then VEVOR called me and they said, hey, we have a new wagon. Will you do a review? And it was like a big trigger for me. I'm like, hell yes, send it over. I have to say, I've worked with them before, and with very few exceptions, everything they've ever sent me has been really high quality. But I need to tell you that in advance that I have worked with them in the past. But let's open this up, take a look at it. They give me no instructions, so let's open it up, see if this one's any good. Once I get it open and set up, I'm going to talk to you about some of the features, some of the reasons I really wanted this one, because there are some unique things about this wagon that I really wanted. Let's first set it up. Oh, hey, if this kind of content is helpful to you, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, put a comment below. Is there something that I've left out or something extra you want to see? Let me know. So it comes with a cover. This is going to be the floor right there. See how easy the cover comes right off. See what happens next here. I have not read the instructions because I am bad that way. I am a boy and we don't like to read instructions. So I just wing this stuff, but I have done a lot of wagons, and oh my gosh, is this thing so cool. So it does come with a nice net, some tie downs. It's a little windy here in southern Florida today. Oh, there go the instructions I didn't read. Floor in. Oh, this thing is so cool. Oh, look at this. Oh, see, this is a new thing. Look, it's spring-loaded. You don't have to worry about picking it up and dragging around. That's a cool advantage. All right, let's go over the actual details. Okay, so this is a new, stronger material. You can see it's all double stitched, which is really nice. This is a nice, strong framework here. Look at these cool new wheels. Obviously, these rotate 360 degrees. I guess that's not so obvious. They all don't do it, but that's a big advantage that it rotates 360 degrees. Really nice big size there. This will hold 400 pounds, and I'm going to show you why that's so important. We talked about this spring-loaded handle that's so nice. Those are the locks, so you can lock it. So they're smart enough not just to put one, but two cup holders. So either you and the kiddos don't have to fight, or the kiddos themselves, or you and your wife, or you and the girlfriend. Okay, so this is the new killer advantage. Remember, we can carry 400 pounds. Look at this trunk area here. Let's see if I can figure out how to open this without reading instructions. Just pops off. Oh, wow. Check this out. Look at that. Look at that area in there. So this is perfect for putting your pop-up tent, fishing poles, a long cooler, some little child that's in trouble, you can put them in there, lock them in. No, don't do that. But yeah, that is a great new area where you could store a ton of stuff. I'm telling you, 400 pounds under most circumstances is 2 grown adults. This thing is wicked. I guess there's only one thing we got to do before I give you my final review, is let's do a test drive. Okay, so I actually did use the lock to keep it from rolling down the hill in the driveway. I don't know if you saw that. Let me just show you again. Let's see. No lock. Put the lock on. No move. Watch this one. Ready? That's it. One touch releases the lock. I think that's great. Handles well. It's huge, and I will tell you, even with it being huge, there isn't a big weight difference between the two, right? Like, it's not like crazy heavy or something like that. This wagon absolutely checks every box there is in the world of wagons, from the wagon addict himself. Nice, strong construction, rolls really nice, easy to fold up, very reasonable in terms of weight, no heavier than the other steel constructions, but you still have the ability to carry 400 pounds. This thing is absolutely a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking for a wagon with a little more capacity and a little more heft for carrying fishing supplies and stuff, this is the one to go with. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.